Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. Alright guys, so before we get started in today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and take y'all to... Did I decline it?
Yeah, left.
I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all to outfit of the day, and then I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so I want to do outfit of the day, and then I will talk to y'all when I get in the car. So this shirt I have on, I got from Fashion Nova. These jeans, Fashion Nova. These shoes, I got them at, okay, one, they're old, but I love them. But I got them at 5 and below. Y'all know that store 5 and below? Do y'all have that in y'all state? If y'all don't, I mean, if y'all do, go check them out. I did get these maybe about, probably close to a year ago. I don't know if they still have them, because every time I go, I don't see them. Because I want to say they had them in black and they had them in brown, and I want to go get another black pair, and I want to get 2 brown pairs because they was $5 and I love them. But anywho, this is what I got on. I have on my clear fanny pack because I am on my way to the state fair. All right, y'all back. Okay, so I am headed to the state fair with my husband.
Okay.
Y'all, I have fell off of Vlogtober. I'm not gonna lie. It is extremely hard. I mean, I was good for the first 2 weeks. These last 2 weeks, baby, I have been very inconsistent. I think I have missed, at the time of filming this, I have missed 2 days of content, but that's okay, because I'm coming on here now to tell y'all that y'all may not get a vlog or content from me every single day, maybe every other day, but I'm trying, y'all. I work a 9 to 5, so it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard, like, trying to do stuff entertaining for y'all. And I don't want to just be throwing out any old thing. So yeah, I'm coming on here to tell y'all may not get content every single day, but at least I'm gonna try to post at least 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, but anywho, today we're headed to the state fair with this fine
Gang. No, I'm just
man right here.
Put that in there.
I'm definitely gonna put that in there. You should have never said it.
Please.
No, they're definitely gonna hear you say gang. He's not a gang member, guys. Okay.
Oh man.
We don't do all that over here.
No.
It's hot. Do you have the air on? You have the heat. Oh, the heat is on my side.
Yeah. It just hit max AC. I was trying not to upset you. You know how our body temperatures is on opposite ends of the spectrum.
Yeah, probably because you're having a long sleeve hoodie. You're probably gonna burn. All right, y'all, change of plans. We're gonna go pick up my daughter from school. We need to go get her state fair ticket at home too.
Can't use it till 5 p.m.
We better not have to pay for her to get in. You think we do?
Did we have to pay last?
Oh, because she can enjoy rides and stuff. I don't know what we did last time, but we're gonna go ahead and pick her up from school, because by the time we get to the state fair, which is roughly an hour away from us, we're only gonna have like an hour to park, get in there, find food, and then get back to the car and head back to our side of the town to pick up my daughter. Because she gets out of school at 2:30. Oh, no lie, she don't even get out at 2:30. She get out at 2:20. So we're just gonna go ahead and get her early dismissal and then head to the fair, so we don't have to be rushing. And as far as our other kids, I don't think they're interested in going to the fair. Ain't nobody said nothing. Right, have they?
They just had 5 tickets.
Well, the last day of the fair is this weekend, so I think we'll go back. And he might go with his mama though. He might go with his mom. I know my oldest son Eric, he don't give 2 shits about the fair. And Cameron ain't mentioned nothing about the fair. He wants to go to Six Flags, so that's probably something that we'll do here soon. Go to Fright Fest.
more stuff.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had to cut the B-roll.
Nah, I got your shades on.
Ignore my husband. He got my shades on because the sun is blinding him. He not supposed to. What the hell?
I thought that was a speed bump, my bro.
You never cease to amaze me. Anywho, y'all. So I was just sitting in the car telling him how my back is hurting. So he pulls out 2 gummies
That's nice.
from his what is this called? Hoodie. Who you think finna eat these? These are some, what are these?
B12.
B12 gummies. Fun fact about me, I don't
go walk around the fair.
A fun fact about me, I don't swallow pills, baby. I can't. It just don't work. So I have to take gummies. But, sir, it got lint and dust. How long it's been in there?
Since right before we left. I took mine in the house and I put yours in my pocket. I just forgot to give them to you as soon as we got in the car. Maybe that would have been better.
This dude is so funny.
That would have been better.
All right, y'all, back to the B-roll. All right, y'all, we finally made it in a park. I told my husband about $100 worth of coupons for the fair, but everybody was like, that's not enough. So I was like, okay, let's do 140 because it's just really me, him. Shaw's gonna play a couple of games or rides, but I just want to eat, baby. That's what sis wants to do. Sis just wants to eat. So let's see. They got pizza, pretzel, funnel cakes, burger. Yeah, I don't want none of that. Gremlin preview where? Oh, they're little statues. Y'all see Gremlin? Which one is Gremlin? Which one? Oh, yeah. And then this is Perry View. Is it Perry View? Perry View. Perry View.
Hold on, y'all. It's
Cute. About $18 worth of tickets. That was so nice.
Breakfast today?
It's pretty fun.
It's a puppet show? Okay.
It's gonna start in like 10 minutes.
How about ice cream? Somebody had ice cream for breakfast last year. Yeah, corn dogs and ice cream.
You want to go? Or
All right. So.
Alright, y'all, Shay and my husband is on this waterlog ride, and I convinced my husband that he wasn't going to get wet if he rode the ride. But I think I lied to him. I'm not really sure, but I've seen some people get off this ride and they were like soaked. And so hopefully they don't get off the ride being soaking wet because he's going to be pissed. But I'm going to try to capture them coming down. Did you have fun?
Yes!
It was fun to you?
Yes!
What happened? Why are you yelling? What happened?
I already got left.
That was higher than I thought it was gonna be.
The drop?
Yeah.
You felt it?
Yeah. It was good though.
Did it tickle?
Yeah!
That was good.